Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Dusty here from thinktutorial.com. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to manage and delete or remove comments from your Instagram posts. So the first thing I'm going to show you is if you are posting a new post on Instagram and how you can manage and either decide to disable comments or kind of decide who you want commenting on your post. So if we go here and go to add a new post and then we find the images that we want to add. Let's say I want to add this image here, and then we go on like we are making the post like normal. What you're going to want to do is tap on the advanced settings option, which is the very bottom section there. And at the top, you're going to see here where it says turn off commenting. And then if we check that box there, that will disallow people from commenting on that specific post. Not the entirety of your account, but just that specific post. Now, let's go back to our Instagram home feed, and I'll show you how to manage comments for your entire account. All right, the first thing you want to do is tap on the lower right-hand icon to go to your profile, as you see here. And then what we're going to want to do is tap the three lines in the upper right-hand corner, as you see there, and then go to Settings, which is the first option. 3 or 4 down, you should see Privacy. If we tap on Privacy there under Notifications, the top one that comes up under Interactions is Comments. So if we tap on Comments there, you can see the first two settings say Allow Comments From, and then if we tap that, we can allow comments from only our followers and people that we follow. So it tells you how many of those people there are, and then only people that you follow or only your followers. So you can select from 3 different options here if you only want to allow a select amount or number of people comment on your post. Next here, we have block comments from. If we tap that option there, and we can search for a username like this here, and then it will come up with some names, normally people that you follow or follow you, and then you can tap the block option there on the right-hand side to block those people individually from commenting. So if you do have some trolls kind of messing with you on Instagram, you can block them directly by going here on the phone. And then lastly, if we go back here, there's a couple of filters where you can hide offensive comments. I have that one obviously checked on. If I check that there, that will automatically hide comments that may be offensive from your post stories and your live videos. Everything kind of is under one umbrella. And then the other one here is manual filter. If we check that there, we can actually type in specific words that we want to be filtered out from our Instagram comments. So that's how you manage and delete and remove comments from your Instagram account. If you have any more questions about how to do this or anything else within Instagram, please put those questions in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.